Good morning, dear friends. I, Sachin Dhaneja, with my friend Akash Singh Rawat. We both are from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Engineering. This is our entry for Texas Instrument Low Power Electronic Diya Contest. We are achieving low power with the help of LEDs and one sensor circuit. This sensor circuit basically detects the light, and with the help of the output of the comparator we are using here, this output we are feeding back to the MSP platform for the decision for the MSP microcontroller to be in the sleep mode or in the active mode. We are using for the automation purpose a sensor and basically LEDs for the lighting purpose, and for the microcontroller purpose we are using MSP 430 Launchpad development tool by Texas Instruments. We are using MSP 430 G2553 microcontroller. For the construction of sensor, we are using one National Instrument op-amp. It's a quad op-amp IC LM324M. We developed one comparator circuit. In this, we are using one potential divider circuit, and in the other potential divider circuit, we are using one LDR sensor that basically changes resistance with the help of light. Now I'll talk about the LED section. These LEDs are very low power as they consume very less current and less voltage. Now it's time for the MSP 430. As I previously discussed, I am using MSP 430 platform, and especially I am using MSP 430 G2553 microcontroller. Now I'll talk about the working, how it works, how the electronic diya is working. Firstly, I talk about this diya. This is basically one static diya in which we are not implementing any dynamic or any automation phase. Now I'll talk about this. We are implementing this swastik diya with the help of this feedback signal. As the signal is detected by this op-amp circuit, we are feeding this output to the MSP 430. And as MSP 430 gets the signal, it detects the signal on the pin and it passes the signal to the diya for the enlighten up. Now I'll talk about how it works. Now I'll cover this sensor portion, and as soon as I cover this sensor portion, the diya lightens up. And I remove my hand and it detects the signal as high, so it shuts down the diya. For example, in the daylight purpose, when it detects the light, diya will automatically get shut down. For example, as the day passes and the evening comes, the diya will automatically get enlightened up, and it continues its operation as the daylight operation as night continues. And as soon as my hand removes, it continues to enlighten down. Thank you all for conducting these competitions, and I like to thank Texas Instruments also.